Well, I tried to start this video, and then when you flip the camera around from my face to outside, it cuts off. So it's been monsoon raining here in North Carolina, hail, tornadoes, the whole deal. So for those of you that like the homesteading life, I'm here in my relaxing shorts, getting ready to go to bed, because that's what we do around here. It's getting close to 9 o'clock. That's about what time I go to bed. So because of the monsoon rain, we got to come out, shut chickens up. And so I'm out here in my Crocs getting my feet wet. Just making sure everything's flowing good. Because we're lowlanders, and there's a creek over there. There's a seasonal creek over there. So this whole area was full of water. Because for almost, well, at least 15 years, I've been putting in drainage everywhere. And everything works great as long as the drainage works. So that had stopped up with leaves and debris. There's drains to that clean out. And that clean out runs all the way through here. Then runs all the way around the outhouse and over to the future pond and into the seasonal creek. So not everybody has to deal with all this, but for those of you that have water issues, we don't really have a choice. It's raining. It stopped raining for just a minute, or slowed down enough that we put on a raincoat, get outside and see what's going on. Check on all the animals, because they depend on us. And it's getting almost dark, so I had to shut the chickens up. Make sure everything's still on. Trying to do this quick so it's a short video. There's, need the camera right. 50 meat chickens and 100 and, I think 50 or 60 quail. All right, keep on going. So the seasonal creek runs behind our building here, under the driveway. It's got a 36-inch culvert. It was dry right before this storm, but when a good storm comes up, she will flow full flow. Not right now. Now it's pretty good. It's kind of hard to see, but with that, that's the driveway. There's some drainage there. Lots and lots and lots of drainage. We're continually putting in drainage. This catches all the water from up around the chickens, and the lights on this thing. It's kind of glaring. It runs down there. We just created this catch basin, which catches the water all up around the sawmill and my daddy's. All this going up the hill to the chickens. All drains to here. And it used to just run, it's terribly focusing. It would run right through the hay, motorcycle, tractor shed, right through the middle of it. Always caused a problem. So we put in, here we go, from this catch basin all the way to the creek, about 150 feet of 6-inch drain line, which is working phenomenally. Taking a lot of the rain in. But like I say, a lot of people, I've talked about it a lot, they like to romanticize the homesteading lifestyle, but I'm out here in the little gap in the rain. The driveway's got a wash in it right here because it came down so heavy, so I'll have to fix that tomorrow. Constant work, and you have to go out. While everybody's sitting inside watching TV, you got to go out and do things. And it's also a great time to check and see how everything's working. So I had to come up here and shut the hens up. Make sure the fox don't get them tonight, because we got a bunch of rebellious ones and they get out during the day. So at night or in the evening, I take this fence down here so they can get back in the hen house. But I have to shut them up. And so while I was up here, I noticed all this mess here. There's a bunch of leaves from the fall had piled up right there, and all the water was coming down the driveway. Now we have a drainage pipe here that runs under the drive. and out through there and runs all the way down to the catch basin. But, of course, then it stopped up the leaves, diverted all of it, and then it's washing gravel away, and gravel's money. And so, any of you have gravel drives, you know what I'm talking about. So, I think that's about it. So, if you like staying inside in the rain and the storms and all that kind of stuff, homesteading might not be your thing. If you're okay with it and you don't mind walking around with soaking wet feet, you got thick skin, might be good for you. Reconnects you with everything, really. All right, that's it. Thank y'all for watching.